I want to be a part of something that is helping the people keep the money back in their pocket. I mean, it's their house. I feel like if it's something that you own, you should have the profit of it being sold. That should all go back to you, right? If you sold a car, all that money would go back to you. So I really think that is how it should be.
You're listening to the Your House, Your Equity podcast, Home Sellers Edition, where we help homeowners like you to sell your house and save your equity.
My name is Vin.
And my name is Elle. And today we are pleased to have a special guest here with us. Her name is Frances, and she has just joined the Your House, Your Equity movement as an affiliate.
I think that one of the things when I was talking to Frances before we started doing this podcast, which a light bulb went off in her head when she realized that the people didn't know that they could sell their house on their own. They thought they had to hand over that 6%. And I saw that light bulb go off in her head and saw her want to be part of the movement. And that's what this is all about. People realizing that they can help other people keep that equity in their pocket where it belongs. And that was just such a great feeling, because that's why we put so much work into this course and support and community, because we want the money in the people's pockets where it belongs, the homeowner. And that's just what we're all about here.
Are you excited to be here?
Yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for having me here. I'm just thrilled to be here.
Definitely different than our normal podcast episodes. I thought this was a really great idea. So I want to thank you for coming on and joining with us today to let people know how it is to be an affiliate of the Your House, Your Equity course. So first of all, how did you find out about the Your House, Your Equity course? What got you started?
So one day I was talking to some friends of mine, and I found out that they had just sold their house, and they were actually using parts of the course. They were able to save over $5,000 actually by using the course. And I at the time really didn't know anything about going through that process of selling your house without a real estate agent. I actually thought that was the only way you could go through with that. And so that was surprising to me. I was like, wow, you actually were able to do it on your own and you saved that much money. And so I was like, wow, so I actually looked more into it, and I found out you can actually save even more than that. You can save up to $30,000.
Yeah, it's an average of 10 to 30.
To $30,000. And I was like, oh, wow. In these times that we're living in, it is so tough for the people. And I am one of those types of people where I feel so bad for, especially the people who are struggling out there. I get it. It's hard. And I don't want to see anybody going through that, losing that money when they can be doing this all on their own. In reality, you don't need a real estate agent to be a part of the process. I mean, you can, but you can actually do this all by yourself. And I really was inspired by it. And I was like, I want to be a part of something that is helping the people keep the money back in their pocket. I mean, it's their house. I feel like if it's something that you own, you should have the profit of it being sold. That should all go back to you, right? If you sold a car, all that money would go back to you. So I really think that is how it should be. But anyway, so that's actually how I found out about it, and I was just really excited about it. I would want to be a part of the movement and help other people to find out about it, and anybody else who's struggling with it, because I'm sure there's so many people out there who are struggling with this and trying to, maybe they just don't know how to do it. And I want them to know about it. I want them to save their money and really move on with their life. And
Yeah, that's actually really inspiring, because that's what started the Your House, Your Equity movement to begin with, was for seeing other people who are going through that process and they're struggling and they just didn't know. Like you said, there's so many people out there that don't know that you can sell your house with or without a real estate agent and save your equity no matter what. So that's really what we're all about. So that really impressed me, how you wanted to join just to share that, and now you're actually an affiliate. So this is really cool, because now you can actually help other people who are in the same situation that you were, who didn't know. So you're coming from a really good place and perspective, and it also helps the movement. It helps share it with other people. It helps broaden the reach of everything that we do, which, as you know, is a really, really great cause to help. So, Frances, you shared how you found out about the Your House, Your Equity movement, but how did you actually find out how to become an affiliate and what made you decide to do that.
Yeah, so whenever I went to the Your House, Your Equity website, I saw the tab for the affiliate program, and I clicked on that, looked into it a little bit more, and then actually heard you talking about it already after the fact, and then I learned more about it through that. So all I had to do was share a link, and that would lead people to the free webinar, and that was it, which was to me like so simple. And I wasn't really doing it for the money. I really wanted to just help more people save their money. So that's great. I love things that are simple, but also making me feel good. So that's really how I found it. And I just want to share with everyone here listening that it is very easy to become an affiliate, and I encourage so many people to be part of it as well.
So let me ask you a question. I know you said that it was kind of a grueling process for your friends, but what was it that really caught your attention when you were hearing their side of the story and how everything went for them in selling their house?
It was a little bit of a grueling process for them. They were really frustrated with it. They had some issues with the real estate agent they were working with, and they were actually using parts of the course. It surprised me that they had like no experience with selling houses before going through this on their own, and they were able to jump into it, and they were telling me like it was actually like really easy for them, and they were able to take like even professional photos by themselves, and they got assistance with having a property description written for them, and they actually were like just so pleased with the whole process. And I was just so happy for them, because when another person's is happy, I'm happy for them, and that makes me like just I'm excited for them. And so that's really I think what stood out to me was just the simplicity of it all. I was just like, wow, like I knew that they didn't they didn't have a PhD or anything like that. When I thought if you needed to sell your house, you really had to be certified, right, and qualified, but they didn't, and they didn't have those qualifications. So I was like, wow, this course must be really good. So I was like, yeah, I definitely want to be a part of this and support it, because it really is. There's nothing out there like it,
That's right. And I'm a little biased when I say this, but it really is a great course, and it is very thorough. And that's something that I think when you hear that story, I think that is really important that you mentioned that you don't need any experience whatsoever. This is something for any average person can do it, and that support is there. That support is there for them and for anyone who wants to join this course. So Francis, before we jumped into the podcast, you mentioned there was a point where kind of a light bulb went off in your head, and something that you said to Vin and I before was that you were actually kind of angry about how much of the equity was getting taken from people without them even knowing, and even if they did know, they didn't know how to defend themselves. So can you talk a little bit more about how you felt and how that kind of influenced you to join?
Yeah, I was like so mad. I was like, could not believe that these people, like, they did not want to lose their money, didn't want to give it up, obviously, and they were actually in a tough situation. They needed that money, and I was not happy with how that money is going to a real estate agent. That's really not necessary,
Right.
And I just was, I didn't like how that worked. Like I said before, I didn't know how real estate agents work. I didn't really know what they did. I thought they did, I thought they had to be there, but then I realized when I heard their story that the person kind of just showed up at the beginning and wasn't really there during the process, and then they were there at the end to collect the check. And I was actually very upset with that. I was like, oh man, I could not believe what I was hearing, and my heart really went out to them. And so I know they're not alone, and I know there's other people out there like them, and so I felt their struggle. And so that was for me like an epiphany. I was like, the light bulb went off for me, and I was like, when I heard someone that I knew, and I heard a first-hand account, because before this it was not real for me, but then it became real for me, and then I got upset and I got mad, and then when you get mad about something, you get motivated, right? So it gives you drive, and it gives you that motivation to go after something, and you want to go and help other people who are going through that as well. So that's really what I'm after now, because I heard their story, and I'm just like, I know they're not alone. I know there's other people out there like them, and I just want to help as many people as I can, because that to me really so fulfilling, so satisfying. Really what I'd like to do with my life is just help other people get out of a lot of the struggles in their life.
That was so well put. I have to say that really is, again, like I said earlier, exactly what not only started this movement, but what continues to fuel this movement from the inside out. So from everyone who started at the beginning with Your House, Your Equity, that was something that we all kind of shared, was that vision of making sure that everyone out there knew they had a choice. Whether they wanted to list with a real estate agent or not, the whole point was to make sure that anyone could save their equity and had the knowledge they needed to do it. Not only have the knowledge to know that it was possible, but also have the steps to be able to go through it in a course, in a super easy and very fun and user-friendly course. So, Francis, as one of the first steps of becoming an affiliate, you had to watch our free webinar, How to Easily Sell Your House and Keep Your Equity. So, not that we want to spoil it for anyone who's listening to this podcast and has not seen the webinar, but when you saw it, what was your first reaction?
Well, actually, I was really surprised at how engaging it was, because I'm the type of person who really has a hard time, like, sitting for a webinar that's, like, 90 minutes long. And I honestly, when I went into it, I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to sit here and listen to this, because I just thought it'd be boring. But I was actually really surprised. It was actually very engaging and really exciting and very interesting. And that was really like a surprise to me. So I knew that it was very well done after the fact, that after I watched it. So yeah, I definitely didn't feel like I was sitting there for 90 minutes, which was good. So. So that was my first reaction, and also it was very thorough. It was just very well done, and it was just a good introduction to the course to kind of get you familiar with it, what to expect, and to kind of warm you up to it and invite people to to purchase the course. So I thought it was great, a great webinar, and I actually learned a couple tips from it as well. And it's free. And you just need to give up your time, and it's well worth the time. I definitely recommend to everyone to watch it.
So Francis, before we wrap up, is there anything else that you would like to say to someone who is considering joining the movement like you did and becoming an affiliate of the Your House, Your Equity course?
Yeah, I think if you want to find some meaningful work in your life, you feel lost in this world, you feel confused, you need to be part of something, you want to feel valued, I'm telling you, this is it. This is the place to go. This is your time. This is your time to help other people, because I'm telling you, the work is so fulfilling and it's just so exciting. It's something that I think more people need to be a part of, and I know there's other people who are out there like me, because that was me. I was not sure. I was kind of struggling to find my way in life, and then I finally found this, and I was like, yeah, this is it. So definitely, yeah, just get started, and you I think you'll be very very grateful that you did because of the lives that you could possibly change for the better. It's actually an incredible feeling to make a positive impact on someone's life, and there's just so much opportunity with this. So I'm really excited for all the people who hopefully will be a part of this with me.
Wow, that was very, very well put.
And I just want to say, for anybody at home that is listening right now, that is thinking about being an affiliate, we have everything done for you already. The free webinar is done. You just need to share your affiliate link. We have the support for the affiliates. So there's not much to think about. Anything you want to add to that, Elle?
No, I think you said it. I think that the process of being an affiliate and sharing your link is very streamlined, and it's very rewarding, not just monetarily, but also rewarding in the sense, as Francis said, that you're helping so many other people. So I think that was very well put, and I think she hit the nail on the head.
That's right. And at Your House, Your Equity, like I said, we supply the affiliate links to you. We do the free webinars. You don't have to do those. We take care of the course. We take care of the support for everybody. It's basically you just sharing your link, and we take care of everything else. So, but yet at the same time, you get paid if anybody gets started. And we just look forward to having you be part of the team and helping people save their equity.
And before we wrap up, for those listening who want to support Francis in her new venture with us at Your House, Your Equity, you can actually click the link in the description of this podcast, and you can use her affiliate link to watch the free webinar. So that's just a thank you to her for being so kind to share her experience with us, with everybody here and everyone listening. And if you're interested in becoming an affiliate, you can go to yourhouseyourequity.com/affiliates, and I'll put that link in the description as well.
That's right. Thank you, everybody, again. And just so you know, if you ever want to be interviewed as an affiliate and we interview you, we'll put your link in there so that way you get the rewards as well.
So again, thank you so much for coming here today. It was really great to have you here, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have been able to share my what I feel about this, and I hope this helps other people to make a decision on being an affiliate, and so thank you again for your time, and it was just really a great conversation.
You're listening to the Your House, Your Equity podcast, Home Sellers Edition, where we help homeowners like you to sell your house and save your equity. As always, thanks for listening. And if you want more great content like this to help you sell your house quickly and easily, with or without a real estate agent, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, and you can also follow us on social media using any of the links in the description. And of course, you can always visit us at yourhouseyourequity.com. Thanks for listening.
Your house, your equity, join the movement.